Did anybody have any fun?
In this case, the good times included some bowling, a behind-the-scenes look, and a lesson in running a business. More than 24 visiting students from China got to see what it takes to run a family entertainment center, courtesy of Cocopah and Northern Arizona University's Yuma branch.
I'm hoping that they will go from here with the recollection of they had fun, they learned something new, and they will tell their friends how fun and entertaining and exciting trip was.
Some students were inspired by this visit.
It's so good, it's so cool, and I enjoy all the things in this company, and in the future I want to own this kind of company in China, and we can study from this company from a lot.
So whether it's work or play, there are some business principles that apply to both worlds. Hammer out a plan, keep your eye on the ball, stay in your lane, and at the end of the day, give yourself a hand for a job well done.